Hello, third class. How are you? Today we are going to make a rhythm of panaderes, ¿vale? El ritme de panaderes. No és molt típic de la comunitat valenciana, encara que n'hi ha alguns pobles que ho fan. El nostre es va perdre. És més típic per la zona de Castilla i Lleó i es suposa que es diu ritme de panaderes perquè tot el món abans, quan estava fent els oficis de cosir, de fer el pa, cantaven i feien cançons, ¿vale? I aleshores, mentre feien la massa del pa, es feia un ritme en les mans que anaven acompanyant les cançons. Anem a agafar les seguidilletes de Sisona, que és una cançó típica de la Sarga, i vaig ensenyar-vos a fer el ritme. Haveu vist abans un trosset de com es toca. No aneu a tocar-ho esta setmana així que relax. Today we are going only to learn this part. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? Because all is, if you want to make all together, is like this. Okay, this is all complete, but we are not going to make that. Okay, to start, your hands on the table, okay, here your other hand, and you make a boom, boom, boom. So, boom, boom. Last time, boom, boom. Now with this hand, you make open, close, open, close, boom, boom, 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 open, close. Now this part is fast. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. So boom, boom, open, close, boom, boom, open, close, boom, boom, open, close, boom, boom, open, close. Okay, and close with that. Slowly again, boom, 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 boom. Now, boom, boom, open, close, boom, boom, open, close, boom, 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 open, close, boom, 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 open, close, boom. Okay? Now fast, boom, boom, open, close, boom, boom, open, close. This week we are only made accompaniment with another one, okay? You make boom, boom, open, close, side. Boom, boom, open, close, side. Boom, close, side. Last time, boom, boom, open, close, side. Okay, now we are going to try with the music. There are two parts, okay? One part that is instrumental, and it's only 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, pam, pam, okay? And the other one, when the singer starts, that you made da 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 da. Okay, because I stop here because here you have another one. Okay, and this one we try the next week. Okay, with the music. Yes, are you sure? Come on, let's go.